Good day, sir. This week motive discussing the countermeasure of the flooding as a damage control producer. Damage assignment and control watertight door and has closer B watering operation damage control arrangements. So countermeasure of the flooding multiple search. So number one, damage assignment and control. So before any action is a take a short assignments of the flood impact the critical. This involve the identifying the extent of the water penetrations the area affected and the type of the damage as stated. This assignment informs the prioritizations of prepare report and resources allocations, allowing the assignments immediate step should be taken to control other damage. This might involve the shooting of resourcing close items and preventing the spread of the water. Number 2, watertight door and hatch closure. On a ship and other constructions with watertight components, disseminated closure of door, hatch and paramount. This prevents the spread of the water, maintaining buoyancy and structural integrity. Failure to close their critical barriers can lead to rapid flooding and potential catastrophic consequences. Regular drills and training are essential to ensure which the effective responses. See number 3, the watering operation. Once the immediate content dewatering operation begin. This involve removing accumulated water using pump, drainage system, and other equipment. The choice of the equipment depends on the scale of the flooding and characteristics of the water, precise of risk. Efficient dewatering is a social to prevent further damage from prolonged water exposure and to simulate subsequent repair. Number 4, damage control arrangement. Effective damage control required to planning the establishment of the clear procedures. This including designating responsibilities personnel, identifying emergency contact information, and outlining steps for various scenarios. Regular training and drills ensure that personnel are prepared to respond effectively crisis. Furthermore, having readily available resources as sandbags, pump, and emergency supplies can significantly improve response times and limit damage. Number 5, preventive measure. Where the above focuses on the active measure, preventive step equally to call this, including proper equipment, building damage, evaluation, critical equipment, installation of flood barriers, and community level flood mitigation integrates in investing in this preventive measure can significantly reduce the risk and impact of future flooding event. That's all. Thank you.